English tip by tip. Tip 40. When?
Months. Ever capital letter. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Days of the week. Ever capital letter. Monday. First day. Comes from the Old English word manandak, which means moon's day. Tuesday. Second day. Derived from Old English Tuesday, a spelling variant of Tyre's day. Tyre equals God of War. Wednesday. Third day. Named after the Germanic god Odin or Odin. Thursday. Fourth day. Named after the Norse god of thunder, Thor. Friday. Fifth day. Associating the Nordic goddess Frigg with the Roman goddess Venus. Saturday. Sixth day. Originates from the Roman god Saturn. Sunday. Seventh day. Derivation stem from the Latin die solis, sun's day. What date is today? British English. 5 January 2023 or 5 January 2023. American English. January 5, 2023 or January 5, 2023. International Standard to avoid any doubt. 2023, January 5. Tip 40. Exercise. Fishing. Today is February 24, 2023. Today is 16 August 2023. Today is October 30, 2023. Today is Friday, June 30, 2023. Today is April 17, 2023. Today is 15 September 2023. Today is November 1st, 2023. Tip 40. When will be held?
When will the meeting be held?
On Monday at 2 o'clock.
When will be held? The marketing meeting will be held on Monday from 8 to 10 a.m. The project meeting will be held on Wednesday from 9 to 11 a.m. The English course is held on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 7 to 9 p.m. The raw material meeting will be held on Thursday from 4 to 6 p.m. The lunchtime is held from 1 to 3 p.m. The meeting with Mr. Silva will be held on Friday from 8 to 10 a.m. Fishing. I cook every night. Lily rests at least 8 hours every night. I wash my hands frequently. He laughs very easily. Touch it carefully, please. Mary and John are talking friendly. Walter walks during 1 hour every day.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.